my YouTube channel. My name is Mubaraka Saif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look right here, which is very glowy, dewy, fresh makeup look appropriate for this dull weather. If you're a dry skin type, trust me, you're gonna love this makeup look, and even if you're oily skin type, you're gonna love it because I love it too. Also at the same time, it is not at all cakey or heavy on the face. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I will link it in the description box below. I post about makeup and skincare a lot over there as well. So if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching. And now my favorite, and I guess everyone's favorite part, highlighter. And for that I'm using Nykaa Strobe and Glow. This is my favorite highlighter. You will see how beautifully it gets blended and looks stunning on the skin. इसे मैं अपने फेस के हाई पॉइंट्स पर अप्लाई करूंगी. And now it's time for some blush. I am using a Colorbar blush. By the way, all the products and shade are mentioned in the description. So don't forget to check that out as well. Moving on to the eyes, I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and with the transition color I will just define my crease with a fluffy blending brush. And from the same palette I will pick the champagne color to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterline using Purplle kajal. This step is completely optional. Next I'm going to coat my lashes using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And now for the lipstick I'm using Maybelline Creamy Mattes. Again the shades will be mentioned in the description box below. And for the last step मैं use करूँगी Too Faced Hangover setting spray and set my face with it. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope आपको पसंद आया होगा. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.